So teaching Asusu Igbo in secondary schools, in particular, secondary schools, is a very good way of catching them young, making sure that as the young people grow up, they grow up with a very clear, deep, and expansive knowledge of their indigenous language. But I don't just understand what's going on in our secondary school system nowadays, and people are fast adopting foreign languages, teaching German, uh, Russian, Chinese, Korea to little kids who are yet to learn their indigenous languages. That is very terrible because the first language that every kid deserves to learn is his or her indigenous language. It is unfortunate that our educational system are now forcing foreign languages on those young brains. And in that process, okay, the foreign language displaces the indigenous language in the community, in the family, and even in the minds of those youngsters. So I will encourage the people in charge of our schools, please revive the culture of teaching languages, especially Asusu Igbo, to our children. Eastern schools, all the five eastern states and beyond, please revive that culture. Asusu Igbo used to be a compulsory subject in secondary school, and it's very interesting. I can remember reading uh, novels in Igbo those days. And that was in my history. I would stand out in front of the class and read passages we use it for our learning. And it was very interesting. You see, reading Igbo text is even more enjoyable than reading English books. Because if you read a quality Igbo novel written by an Okammụta Asusu Igbo, it is full of linguistic spices. Ilu karịrị akarị, ụka bụ ilu karịrị, akpala okwu juru ebe niile, asị n'ilu juru ebe niile. You see, so it's enriching. Asụsụ Igbo is enriching, and the earlier we teach the young ones their roots, which starts with the language, Asụsụ Igbo, the better for us. And the foundation of Asụsụ Igbo is the ABD Igbo, the mkpụrụ edemede iri atọ na isii enwere n'asụsụ Igbo. So please, if you're a parent, endeavor to teach your child Igbo while young, so that maybe when he grows up, he can now learn Beke or any other language that suits him or her.